Wow, I'm live, I'm back. It's TitanicFeetJack back with another video. And of course, we got that heat on deck. But before we get into today's shoe, I'd like to send a shout out to the TF gang. You know what's going on with y'all, how y'all doing today. Thank you for subbing to the channel. Appreciate y'all liking the videos, commenting on them, and sharing the videos as well. Now getting into today's shoe. Y'all see the box. It's an Air Jordan Retro 1 box, you know. Black and red, Nike Air all over. And if you notice, this box is a little bigger than normal. I'll explain that to you in a second. Let's go ahead and read the label. It says Air Jordan 1 High Zoom Air. Color black, and tomatillo. US size 14, personal pair, price $175 US. Go ahead, pop that top. You got your stamp, your lot number on the inside. You got your standard tissue paper, you know, your white or your sail color tissue paper. And let's go on and get them out. Bam! Look at these bad boys here. Yes, the zoom. Get y'all a little 360. Yes, Lord. This is a nice sneaker. Go ahead and take the other one out of the box. I'm going to get into the review. Okay, guys, let's get into the review. This is the third pair of Zooms that have come out this year, Retro 1 Zooms. First, we had that initial pair, that black pair, which sat on shelves for ever and a day. Look at it. And then came the light gray pair with the patent leather on them. Check those out. And I did a review on those. I did have those in hand, so if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. I'll link it down in the description as well, so you can go check out that video I did on the white and gray pair. And here is the trilogy, the third pair in the Zoom collection. This black and this tomatillo colorway. Basically, it's another fancy word for green. Getting into the sneaker, the upper, pretty simple. We got a black upper. You got your Jordan Wings logo branded on in black. You got black on black. Your color blocking, you got that tomatillo green, which is a nice green, the suede. Go ahead and touch it. You got a little change of direction, you know, that little stroke. And your Nike swoosh is silver and is also 3M. And the leather on the black it's not the best quality of leather. I've definitely had better leather on some ones, but they chose to use, this almost feels like the leather that you will find on a Jordan 1 mid. If you have any mids in your collection, comment below and let me know you had a mid, but this is very comparable to that. If you had a mid or have a mid, this leather feels just like that. And you have two little lime green. They sold that on as well, thread. Your midsole, white midsole, and at the very bottom you got that translucent material. It almost look like a purple or blue, which leads to the outsole. Here's your outsole. This is the outsole on the Zooms. You got that red at the heel, or pink, or infrared 23, whichever color you choose. It's underneath the translucent outsole, and it blends and it turns into the green, which goes all the way up to the toe. The green or the tomatillo. Looking at the heel of the sneaker, pretty simple. All black heel, black going around the ankle guard. And to top it all off, you have black up top. Looking at the inside of the sneaker, You have that all black again, going all the way down your lace eyelids and down all the way to your mud guard. Nike swoosh, which is silver, and you have that green thread, which is holding the Nike swoosh on, and that is 3M. Gonna give you guys a look at that in a little bit. Yep, the short grain, the suede, a little change of direction. It's a little longer than normal, but you know, that's that. White midsole again, translucent outsole. Let's get into that toolbox. We don't have leather this time in the toolbox. We got suede. I did treat this prior to recording this video. So, yep, it's dried already. But, yep, it's the suede on here. On the Tomatillo. You have black laces. It comes factory lace with the black laces. And you have that tongue. You got the regular Jordan 1 tongue. And instead of Nike Air, you have Zoom Air. The patch sewed on with the Zoom Air in silver. And you have that Zoom patch right here as well on the side. Let's go ahead and look on the inside. You have your cardboard shoe tree. Says size 13, 14. Alrighty. And I forgot to mention that your black laces have green tips. Or let's see. Yeah, this look like the lime green tips on your black laces. And look on the inside, you have that lime green insert. And you have Zoom Air in black lettering. And you have the size sticker, which is a US size 14. You also have a lime green sock liner in here. And let's see, can we get a look at that tag? That tag says size 14. Production date, January 8th of 2020 to March 25th, 2020. Okay, so we had a couple months of production. Not sure how many pairs are out there, but you know, these, they had a ample enough time to make these. But resale market on these, I think they're going for about $250 right now on average. I think my size anyway going for somewhere around there. But a quick story on how I got these. I walked into my local Hibbett's and I was just shooting the poop with one of the workers there, like I always do, and he was talking and we were just talking about shoes like we always do. And I brought this sneaker up that I entered the raffle, and the sneakers fell off the raffle, and he was telling me that they received pairs, and I was like, their store wasn't even listed on the Hibbett app of receiving pairs of these. And he told me they had received like 4 size 12s, a couple size 13s, and this one right here, which is my size. And he said, I think we still got that in the back. So he goes in the back and come back with these bad mother right here. So when I saw that, my eyes got big. I was like, yes, Lord. So I was like, ring me up. And then to top it all off, I had a $50 reward. So I got these bad boys, $125 plus tax. So, I mean, it may not be the most popular one or the most buzzing one, but for $125 and my size, I had to cut. So I'm going to put this on the table. I'm going to give y'all that 360 view like I do. And we're going to be back to wrap up the video. You heights me? review. Tell me what you think of these sneakers down below in the comment section. How did you guys do on release day? I took a L on the sneakers app, L on Hibby's app, and I mean, that's why it's good to visit stores, you know. You never know what you're going to walk up on. Like I said in earlier videos, this sneakers business is built off of relationships with people. If you're not a people's person, you're probably going to struggle mightily. Unless you buddy with somebody that's a people person and they, you know, they're willing to do that leg work for you. But I mean, I love talking shoes. I can do that all day, so I'm gonna cut down on the rambling. But let me know what y'all think of this shoe. Do you have all 3 pairs of the Zoom Air collection? Let me know what pairs do you own. I no longer have that white and gray pair. I sold them. And I never had the black pair that was sitting on shelves for forever in a day. But I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video again. And shout out to the TF gang. This TitanicFeetJack, and I'm signing out.